Welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. If this is your first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. And if you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. So today I'm going to share with you how I made these two adorable vases. One for Easter and another one, I guess you could say you can use it all year round, but I made it mainly for Valentine's. So let's go ahead and get started with our first DIY, which is going to be this adorable Easter vase. The first thing you're going to have to get is an Easter bunny, these plastic Easter bunnies from Dollar Tree. And they're like candy fillers. And what you're going to do is grab any kind of glass cup or vase that fits into your Easter bunny. Then you're going to go ahead and get some E6000 or any kind of permanent glue and a little bit of hot glue, and you're going to put it on the edges and the rim of the interior of your bunny. Once you're done adding both your permanent glue and hot glue, go ahead and get your glass of choice, and you're going to go ahead and insert it into one of the halves of your bunny. And just go ahead and hold it there for a few seconds just to let that hot glue dry, and then set it aside and let it completely dry. While that is drying, go ahead and get the back side of your rabbit, and what you're going to do is, what I used was my wood burner to make an opening on the back part of your Easter bunny. But if you don't have a wood burner, you can also use a box cutter or even your hot glue gun to do this part as well. The point is, what you're going to do is just make an opening for it to be large enough for you to add any kind of flower arrangement you want into your vase. And I decided to use the bunny for this project, but they also have some large Easter eggs that you can use for this as well. If you don't want to go with the theme of the bunnies, you could also use your Easter egg as well. So once you're done making that opening in the back of your bunny, just go ahead and pop that out. And then what I did was add some more permanent glue and hot glue to the rim and the interior of the back side of my bunny. Then I'm going to pop it into place with the front part. I also put a little bit of permanent glue all around the edges just to make sure that it does stay in place. If I'm going to be moving this around, you don't want it to pop open. So just go ahead and add that hot glue and permanent glue on the back side, and then again just put it together and then let this dry. I let this dry for a good 30 minutes before I took it outside and then spray painted it. And I decided to go ahead and spray paint mine gold. I just wanted it to have more of a glam look, but you can spray paint this any color you like depending on what style you're going for. So just go ahead and give it one good coat, let it dry completely, then give it your second coat, and then let that one dry and bring it on in. Then you can fill it up any way you like or leave it as is. So here it looks just by itself, and I'll share with you how it looks with some flowers at the end. So the next project, what I decided to do was go ahead and get one of these wood plaques from Dollar Tree, which I've already used this one for a previous project, but you're going to go ahead and drill an opening right in the center of your wood plaque. Then you're going to get a doorknob, and they have all kinds of different doorknobs now at Dollar Tree. Just pick one you like, and then get some of these wood plaques, and I'm using hot glue to make a drawer in the back of my wood plaque. So just go ahead and add wood glue or hot glue in order for you to attach each one of the sides of your vase. I want to call this a vase, but you can use this for so many other projects and so many other ways also. I know I'm going to use it with flowers and just for different holidays, but a lot of people, I've seen them where they put vintage doilies in here, and even use it for perfume bottles and what have you. Let me know how you're going to use yours in the comments below. So again, I just went ahead and added some hot glue on either side to glue and make that drawer, faux drawer in the back of my wood plaque. And as you can see, I also put a popsicle stick in the bottom part of my wood, and that's just so it could be leveled. Since I decided to make it with this wood plaque, it had like a little lip, so I had to put something to make it leveled. But you can also even use little wood beads or something like that if you want to go for that style as well. So once you're done making your fake drawer, and then you're just going to go ahead and paint it any color you want. I decided to make this one more of a farmhouse since I'm going to use it in my dining room. And I would just added some baking soda and paint, mixed it up together, and then just painted the entire part of the drawer, especially the front part. And I just gave it one good coat. I wanted to make it more farmhouse, so I'm going to sand it down once it dries, so I didn't need to give it too many coats. I also painted the sides just to make sure that it all looked nice and even and the same tone color of that white. So once it's completely dry, go ahead and just grab, you can use a wet towel and do the same process, or your sanding block, and just kind of lightly sand the corners and edges, just where it would naturally distress to give it that farmhouse look. Then wipe everything down, add your little doorknob, and then you can decorate this any way you like. Like I said, I'm going to use this mainly for flowers for each one of the holidays. So for Valentine's, I added a whole bunch of red roses and just added a little bit of the white flowers that I had from Dollar Tree as well. And then also some really adorable, I want to call them twig hearts that I got from Dollar Tree. And I believe those came in a package of 4. So once you're done adding all your flowers, here are the hearts that I'm going to add into mine. And there you have it, an adorable Valentine's floral arrangement. So this is the way my glam bunny looks with flowers in it. And again, you could use full flowers, or you could also use real flowers, since you are able to add water into your glass vase that you added to your bunny. And this is the way my faux drawer looks, filled with flowers as well for Valentine's. So again, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.